Hello everyone, very good evening.
We are
doing
good.
great.
All good, ma'am.
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. And how was your journey with TNC?
It was also good, ma'am.
Great.
Great.
So, anybody who would like to share something?
I think for me, it has been the best decision that I made because when I remember the day when I was there with the HR of Indigo and I asked her that which company should I go with for the communication training, and she suggested me that you should go with TNC because they have very good trainers, but they have good trainers so you can depend on them. And now by the end of this journey, I feel like she was right, and all the things she said was right.
Also, I was super nervous when I got three options to choose from, and I was hoping that I'll get a good company, but I feel like it was the best choice that I made. And I'm so grateful for everything. I have learned so much through this whole journey, made so many great people, great friends, and met so many great people. And I feel like I'll always be grateful for TNC.
No, thank you so much. That's really nice to know.
And for me, ma'am, from day one onwards, my journey was so good with everybody, with my mentors as well, and my fellow friends as well. I've learned so many things, and I know I've changed a lot from the day one. So the credit all goes to TNC and my mentors.
Okay, that's great to know.
I would like to add on something, ma'am. I'm from South India and I never knew that there is an MTI issue while we speak. And this is the first time after entering TNC, I got to know that we are having MTI issues and it's all rectified in TNC training. And I will be always grateful for the training we got from TNC Aviation. And as Shilpa mentioned, I took the best decision of choosing TNC Aviation.
Thank you so much. That's really great to know.
For me as well, it's the best decision of my life because I have improved myself a lot. Not as just a communicator, but as a person also, I have improved a lot. And I'm so grateful that I got this opportunity by Indigo. It's very helpful for me as well.
Oh, so cute. Pleasure is all ours.
Ma'am, I'm so grateful towards TNC because I'm so happy and I made my mother proud. And she was literally crying from the morning when I told her I got selected. And I'm so happy right now. And I would like to thank all the remedial teachers as well, especially Miss Amrita and Miss Nidhi. They believed in me and they motivated.
I totally accept with what Absana has said because I believe whenever we used to feel very demotivated, our trainer was the one who always motivated us and pushed hard towards our goal. And it is all because of our trainers and TNC that we achieved our goal. And today, I can proudly say that I accomplished my dream. I've been working for this dream for 2 to 3 years, and today I accomplished it, and I'm super proud of myself. And all credit goes to my trainer and you as well.
I would also like to say that I'm very happy today, and it's all because of TNC. And if someone will ask me which, I always recommend them to choose TNC because I've learned a lot of things from TNC, and I'm always grateful for my friends and my trainers. Thank you.
Want to add something like before joining we had got 4 links. I never knew like TNC is so good because I made so many friends here, and our trainer were also good. Even you supported us, you gave us a feedback which was I never knew about I had a MTI, but I came to know that I had MTI. I improved on that, we worked on our feedback, and today we made it successful just because of TNC. So I'd like to thank all of the members of the TNC. Thank you.
I also want to share my experience. I will be forever grateful to TNC Aviation for this wonderful learning experience, and like we have got the greatest mentor, and this journey have been just amazing. And so there was like on initial days I was quite nervous, but everything went smoothly. So I will be forever grateful and thankful for this wonderful learning experience.
I'm very grateful to TNC because when I started my CPT journey, I was not able to speak in public like I do now. But now I'm very confident in myself and I'm able to speak in front of everyone. It's all because of TNC. I'm very grateful that I chose TNC above everything. So yes, this is for my.
That's cool. I'm so glad. I'm so glad that we could make it.
Even I'm so grateful to TNC because if I cleared this review, it's all because of my trainers and of course you. So yes, I would like to thank all my trainers and especially you because your tips really helped me to clear this review.
It was my dream since I was. So I think all credit goes to TNC. You all have improved, and I got to know a lot of things here. So I'm really grateful for TNC, and I'm really happy now. Thank you so much, everyone.
That's really great to know about your experiences, guys. Always remember, as you move forward, remember that this achievement is not just a milestone, but a foundation for the future. Okay? Every challenge you faced and every late night you endured has led you to this moment. So, but this is just the beginning. The journey ahead will be filled with a lot of opportunities and new challenges. And you have already proven that you have the strength and the determination to overcome all the obstacles. So embrace the future with confidence and enthusiasm. Make sure that let this success be a reminder of what you are capable of achieving.